Ripple unlocks half billion tokens from escrow as XRP price up 26%. Bitcoin futures volatility coming as BitMEX hits 1 billion open interest. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode on the CryptoWealthy channel, where we're going to discuss about very positive and negative news about altcoins and the Bitcoin, and also we're going to do some technical analysis right now. So right now we are standing on the daily chart and we can see that the Bitcoin price is still consolidating around this level of resistance where we discussed about in the previous videos or so. Now this is also the good sign and signal for the Bitcoin price that does not want to get some kind of a correction over here, and that's on some sort of a way bullish and bearish. On the bullish side, whenever the price is consolidating around some level of resistance and supports, it tends to break that level of support because it's hitting all the time, which means that the buyers are hitting the sell wall all the time. Once the sell wall become less and less strong, then the price should spike on the upside or on the downside. It depends where that sell wall is. The same thing is happening right now. Bulls are hitting this level of resistance all the time, so if we manage to break this level of resistance over here, there is a big potential that we will see $10,000 very soon. Now one more metric that could back this up is the metric that everybody are talking about, is this Bitcoin futures. So volatility coming as BitMEX hits 1 billion open interest. What this essentially means is that this number is showing us how much net worth open contracts on exchange are all together. So longs plus shorts, it doesn't matter if the shorts are bigger than longs. It is matter that it's showing us a lot of money poured into the Bitcoin trading right now, which means many people are trading Bitcoin right now, or other words, interest in Bitcoin futures trading is pretty big. Now interesting thing also, if we switch on the short chart, we can see that shorts are again onto the ground while the longs are trying to find some sort of a correction over here. When we moved over here on the weekly chart, we can see pretty good spike and after that pretty good drop, but now longs are still trying to push us on the upside, which those open contracts are actually backing up those corrections over here on this chart. So many things are pointing out that the Bitcoin price should go on the upside. Now everything could happen. We could potentially drop further down, which I would prefer more, to have some sort of a correction in order to give bears a chances to have some sort of a gains, and after that correction over here into this channel, continue to go on to the upside. So many things are pointing out that the Bitcoin price should go on to the upside, but also we need to watch onto the bearish side what could potentially happen. But there is not much that could push us too much onto the downside, because we did build up some sort of a levels of support. We climbed up pretty steadily and pretty correctly, and we for now have up all of those moving averages, all those levels that we built up on the way up. So this is very important to say, because if the Bitcoin price starts to go on to the downside, we will have a lot of bulls to push us on the upside. As we can see here, all of these levels of support as the $9,000, 20 exponential moving average, and this trend line that we are following already for a month or so. And now let's switch on to some very interesting news. Twitter adds Bitcoin emoji. Jack Dorsey suggests Unicode that does the same. Very nice from side of the Jack Dorsey, who actually likes the Bitcoin very much, to do some sort of adoption on the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, because it will open eyes to many other people also and got them interest into the Bitcoin. Who knows? It's very good if we already have a community on some sort of a platform as it's Twitter and others, to have also its own emoji. Very nice from his side, and I hope others will follow as the Unicode, maybe Facebook, maybe Instagram, we will see. Ripple unlocks half billion tokens from escrow as XRP price up 26%. Data from the XRP blockchain noted by monitoring research Whale Alert on February 1st confirmed a single transaction of 500 million tokens worth 120 million left Ripple's escrow the same day. The move is the latest in series of planned releases, which Ripple has scheduled to occur on the first of each month for 55 months. Its aim aim is to provide incentives for market makers, with Ripple nonetheless remaining in control of the newly released tokens. So in short words, they are saying over here that they want to incentivize market makers to hold up volume XRP USD. So it's just normal transaction that they will do each month for 55 months in order to hold the price steady. True or not, you need to understand that you need to take some sort of a gains if you're a trader. If you're a long-term holder, that's okay, but if you're a trader of the XRP token, make sure you take some sort of a profits after those gains over here, because maybe the price could drop and company could sell some tokens from here. We don't know what are they doing, but it's totally okay to take some gains if you have a chance. One of the evidence for that is here: suspicion, sell-offs, and an IPO. So manipulation into this company is very common, and as you can see, if you like it or not, it's just like that. And it says here into the text, the company owns more of the token than any other party. In recent interviews, CEO Brad Garlinghouse claimed that executives could not control the XRP supply, while also stating it would take action to stop other entities from acquiring too much of it. We don't want some other party buying a whole lot of XRP and dumping it on the market, he said. So yeah, he basically say you can't dump as much as you want and you can't own as much as you want, but guess what, we can. So yeah, make sure you take your gains if you're trading this token. Do not let it go up and down and you just do nothing with it. I posted this on Instagram, so make sure you follow us on other social medias also, because we are posting there pretty much daily with the Bitcoin price updates and the news. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you like this sort of a content. If you don't like, let us know in the comment section down below what should we fix. I want to thank every single each last one of you for watching our videos, guys. As and always, until the next video, happy trading and goodbye.